Daily interaction with the world's top mining companies indicates clearly that digital transformation of mining companies is essential. At 4Sight, we know that digital technologies are made to empower people and have developed a market-leading strategy to implement digital solutions that create clear visibility across your value chain. Mining companies are geographically distributed, and solutions must incorporate data gathering and information analysis from multiple sites. 4Sight is the leading company to implement data gathering technologies from pit to port, and thereafter use advanced industrial AI solutions to integrate data from across multiple data streams into useful information. Once we have a clear picture of your organization, we can then use information analysis tools to implement competition-beating asset optimization programs, allowing your employees to maximize the benefit of insight, empowering them to perform their jobs at a higher level than ever before. Contact 4Sight and learn how AI technology can empower you to create an intelligent mine today.